Alrighty, guys, we're going to learn how to play Meeting Called from Among Us. Well, it's not quite Meeting Called. It's the body report when somebody's found a body and they go ahead and report it. So the first thing we've got to do, we've got to figure out these notes. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that this first one is C because it's low. It's one we've never talked about before. Now the next one, it's in a space. So we got to go F-A-C. It's C again. And we'll talk about what makes those two C's different. Now, we're going to skip the next note for a second. This one's on a line. So it goes, every good boy does fine. So you got an F. Now, these notes with these little symbols, so you see this is on the F line again. It's still an F, but it's something special. When you have a sharp sign, that means that you've got to go up a little bit. So you've got regular F. If you go and have that little hashtag sign, little sharp, you have to go a little higher. Now, you hear those sound different. So you've got F and then F sharp. So let's listen to those again. We've got F, and then you got F sharp. So those last two notes, I'm going to go ahead and write those in. We've got F and we've got F sharp. So if you look here, this note we skipped, every good boy does. It's D sharp. So we don't just play D. We have to find D and go up to play sharp. So you've got D, then you've got sharp. So you have to play D sharp. So let's start at the end. I'm going to play two notes. I'm going to play F and F sharp. So it'll go F, then F sharp. Now, the two notes in the middle, we've got C and D sharp. So let's try C, D sharp. So you got C, D sharp, F, F sharp. So if we put that together, we've got which is like when the dead body's found in Among Us. Now, that very first C, it's a low C. So instead of playing the same C you're playing, you got to play a C way down here. A low one. So we start here low. And that's how you play the whole thing. So you've got low C. So if you need to restart this video to figure out how to play that, you go on ahead. Y'all have a wonderful day.